Hi all, and Ken, the only person that comes daily on YouTube and cries about others is you, Ken. Ken, nobody is jealous of you, and if you truly believe people are jealous, then you're delusional and you should seek help immediately. Why would people be jealous of you? Because of paint? Get real! You have nothing to show for. Ken, keep in mind you're not that important enough to request or demand anything from us. Debunking your lies and misleading demonstrations is not fraud. I can call you a scammer because I see through your tricks and lies. Ken, if you ever should sue me, keep in mind I don't need to prove anything in court, but you need to prove that I was wrong, and if you can't do it, you lose your case. That you lie and scam your viewers is clearly visible in your videos. Ken, do you really think that court is that stupid? All your fake demonstrations outside with your 50 lumen 480p and not 720p projector. Why is the projector always placed too close to the screen? All your demonstrations are a scam, nothing more. By the way, the 100,000 LUX outside claim is another lie spread by Ken the scammer. None of his cheap house paint was ever exposed to 2,000 LUX and more. Just look at the surroundings and how everything was placed. If I could guess how those places look, the LUX count was between 100 and 1,000. So let's take a look at all his fake 50 lumen demonstrations.
You feel so safe inside. The walls you fortified. It's down you go. When your walls fall like Jericho. Jericho.